De er her ikke kun for at blive dygtigere til noget, så de kan gå ud og få et arbejde, men de er for os for at blive klogere på, hvem er jeg, hvordan skal jeg leve mit liv, og hvordan virker fællesskaber osv.
You have to do a lot of stuff on your own, and you have to get used to like being on your own, and I mean like cleaning your room and washing your clothes and stuff like that. You're not just used to having your parents around who could do everything for you.